In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop photo in Affinity. Cropping is one of the fastest ways to strengthen your composition, remove distractions, and get your image ready for a specific format. So let's walk through it clearly and confidently. Start by opening Affinity Photo and making sure the photo you want to edit is visible on the canvas. With your image in view, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the crop tool. Its icon looks like two overlapping right angles. The moment you select it, a cropping frame appears around your photo with adjustable handles on the corners and edges. Click and drag any corner to resize proportionally or pull an edge for finer control. You can also click inside the frame to reposition it, nudging the crop so the subject sits exactly where you want. As you work, use the on-screen grid to guide your composition. Aligning key elements along the grid lines or their intersections is a simple way to achieve a more balanced professional look. For precise dimensions or a consistent look across multiple images, check the context toolbar at the top. There you can choose common aspect ratios like original, unconstrained, 1:1, 4:5, or 16:9, and lock the ratio so it stays fixed while you resize. If you're preparing images for social media or a presentation, picking the right ratio here saves time later. Before you finalize, decide how permanent you want the crop to be. If you'd like the flexibility to revisit and adjust it later, make sure Delete Cropped Pixels is turned off so the areas outside the frame are simply hidden, not removed. If you want a leaner file and you're certain about the framing, leaving that option on will permanently discard the trimmed pixels. When you're happy with the composition, head to the top and click Apply to commit the crop. That's it, clean, precise, and ready for your next edit. If you want to fine-tune later, just reselect the crop tool and adjust as needed.